Vervet monkeys form tight-knit troops. They face dangers at every level. A southern African python, capable of swallowing this monkey whole. But this family has someone on lookout. They use a unique language to tell the group exactly what to do. Pythons are ambush hunters. And if their cover is blown, they give up. Because vervets are on the menu for many different predators. They've developed a sophisticated alarm system to identify a range of threats. A leopard triggers another specific alarm call. The troop heads for the trees. Leopards can climb, so these clever monkeys run to the ends of the thinnest branches, where the heavyweight hunter can't follow. A martial eagle, using a call that means there's an attack from the air. Diving for cover under the canopy. Vervets have 3 different alarm calls, each triggering a different life-saving reaction. It's a highly developed communication system.